Want to master Jasper reports from beginner to advanced? You are in the right place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the full Jasper reports tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to implement feature called grouping data in Jasper reports. So, first, let's explain that what is grouping in Jasper reports. Grouping is a feature that allows us to organize data into sections based on a common field. Whenever you want to organize data into different sections based on a common field, that are called grouping data. For example, if we have employee data, can be grouped it by department, city, position, and so on. So instead of showing all the records randomly, Jasper reports will display them in a structured way. So let's start the practical implementation step by step. In the first step, we want to create database tables, and we want to insert sample data. For that, let's open MySQL Workbench. As you can see, we have Jasper Reports database. Then we have a simple employee table, and here we have inserted some sample records. Thereafter, we have simple query that can get all the records from the employee table. So you can get the scripts from the very description. There is no problem. We have already created database table, and we have inserted all the records. So in the second step, let's open Jaspersoft Studio. And here we want to create a new project. We have project. Select Jasper Reports project. For example, grouping, data, then finish. So the project is created. Let's create a new folder. For example, the reports. So inside that folder, let's create a new Jasper report. We want to select blank A4. And here, let's provide name for that. For example, employee report. Then click next. So we have data source, and here we have data adapter. We want to establish a new database connection. Just click new. Here we have different data sources like CSV file, collection of Java beans, custom implementation, and we have database JDBC connection. So select this one, then click next. Here we have connection name, for example, grouping connection. Thereafter, we have JDBC driver. We want to find MySQL driver. We have, com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Okay. And here we have JDBC URL, username, and password. As you can see, we have already database. Just copy that. We want to provide database name. Then we have username. The default username is root, and the password is empty. Let's test the connection to see the result. Okay, we got an exception, class not found exception. There is no problem. What we want to do, we want to add driver. Just click driver class path, then we have add. We want to select MySQL connector jar, then open. Let's test the connection once again. Okay, successful, that is good. Let's finish that. As you can see, all the databases listed from MySQL, that is good. Thereafter, what we want to do, as you can see, we have a simple query that can select all the records from the employee table. We want to paste here, then click next. We want to add all the fields, okay, next, then finish. Okay, the report is created, that is good. Thereafter, let's create a new group. Just click on that, then we have create group. Let's provide name for that. For example, department group. And here we want to select department. Then click next. So And here we want to create the group header as well as the group footer. Okay, then finish. As you can see, we have two groups. We have header, also we have footer. So thereafter, we have fields. To that, you want to add department. We have different options, current, distinct, but you want to select no calculation function. Then finish. Okay. To that, we want to add some style. Okay. Simple. We want to make that center. And here we want to add font size. Then we want to make that bold as well. Let's add some border as well. Simple. We want to add this one. Thereafter, we want to add background color as well. We have background color. Okay. Let's add this color. We want to uncheck that. Okay. That is good. As you can see, we designed this header, which is group header. Thereafter, what we want to do? We want to get some more fields like employee name. We have designation and salary, and that we want to add to the details section. Okay, just select this one, this, and this. Okay, drag and drop here. That is good. Select these fields. If we want to add, for example, font size, then we want to make that, for example, center as well. Thereafter, we want to add border. Okay. After that, you can add background color as well. There is no problem. Let's find that we have background color. Okay. We want to make that, for example, this color. So that is good. After that, let's add, for example, title label. We have employee name, designation, and salary. Just select the static text. And here we want to add that. Sorry. We have employee name. We want to add, for example, font size, then bold, and we want to make that center. Okay. Let's copy that. Sorry. Then we have designation. Okay. Sorry. Let's correct that. Okay. After that, we have salary. Okay. We want to add, for example, a label for salary. Let's correct that. Okay. We want to correct that. Okay. Let's correct that. Then that. After that, we have this one. Let's adjust this. Sorry. We want to make that. Okay. And here we want to correct this one. Then this one. Okay. So that is good. You can add some more properties. There is no problem. And here also. Okay, we want to select all of these. Okay, that is good. First, let's preview that. Okay, as you can see, we have department, then we have labels, then we have employees. After that, we have second department. That is good. We want to remove this column header. Just right click, then we have delete page header as well. Okay, let's preview that. As you can see, we have department, then we have second department. Thereafter, what we want to do, we want to adjust this one. Okay. That is good. After that, right click on that. Then we have expression. We want to double click on that. And here we want to add some string. For example, employees of, for example, IT department. Okay, that is good. We have an error. Okay, then we want to finish that. Sorry, we have a spelling mistake. Okay, let's finish that. Let's preview that. As you can see, we have a nice report. Employees of accountant department. Then we have second department. After that, we have another department. That is good. So thereafter, let's sum the salary. For that, first we want to create a variable. We have variables. Right click on that. Then we have create variable. We want to add name for that. For example, total salary. Okay. Thereafter, what we want to do, we want to specify the data type, for example, double. And here, let's select calculation function, for example, sum. Then we have expression, salary. Okay. Then finish. Let's drag and drop here. Sorry. Then we have reset type. We want to select department group. Okay. After that, we want to drag and drop here. Then we want to add some style to that. Okay. Simple. For example, font size this one, then bold, center. Okay. Then we want to add, for example, border this one. Okay. After that, we want to add, for example, background color. This one, you can add any color. There is no problem. Okay, that is good. Let's preview that. Okay, as you can see, we have department, group, then we have header. After that, we have detail sections. Then we have footer. Then we have second department, second header. Then we have details. Then we have footer. That is good. Thereafter, let's add title as well. Just select a static text. Okay. And here, what we want to, for example, we want to add employee, for example, salary, group, report by department. You can add any string, there is no problem. Okay. Let's add some style to that. We want to add some style. For example, font size, then center. Okay. Thereafter, we want to add text color. For example, this one. Okay. Okay, that is good. Let's preview that. As you can see, we have a title, then we have department. After that, we have header, then we have details, then we have footer. Okay, friends, if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you next one.